Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to keep your digital life running smoothly. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to change your debit card on your Google account in 2025. Whether your card has expired, you've switched banks, or you're just updating for security reasons, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account on a secure device. Head over to the Google account settings by going to myaccount.google.com. Once you're there, navigate to the Payments and Subscriptions section. It's usually under the Privacy and Personalization tab. This is where all your payment methods are managed. Now, look for the Payment Methods option. You'll see a list of your saved cards here. Find the debit card you want to replace and click on it. There should be an option to edit or remove it. Go ahead and select Remove to delete the old card. Don't worry, this won't affect any existing subscriptions or purchases, just your saved info. Next, it's time to add your new debit card. Click on Add Payment Method and enter the details carefully: the card number, expiration date, CVV, and the name on the card. Google might ask for verification, like a small temporary charge to your card, so keep an eye on your bank statements for that. After you've entered everything, hit Save and double-check that all the info is correct. Google will process it quickly, and you're good to go. One quick tip: always use a secure network when handling financial info, and consider enabling two-factor authentication on your Google account for extra protection. There you have it. That's how you change your debit card on your Google account in 2025. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes, but it keeps your payments secure and up to date. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.